Hello, I have created one student API on my own, and for that purpose, I just created some data from the help of ChatGPT, and I added in a new text file, and I renamed it with student.json, and I saved it as JSON source file. So this is the prerequisites to create our own APIs in our systems. Like you can create student API, you can create a employee APIs, anything you want to test, you can create its data and its own API. So I created a student JSON file, and for that purpose, to test the own APIs, we just need to we just need to run this API in the JSON server. So let me show you. We will just open the command prompt in this area, and now you can see that we will write JSON server, and then we will add the API which we already created, student.json. It's the name of the API, and then now we have to add um, its source file. So now, as you can see that the API is running in the backend, and we will now test the APIs in the Postman. So I'm just opening my Postman. So currently, obviously, I have already added all the collections in the APIs in the Postman. So let me show you the test cases I have prepared. As you can see, so these are the test cases I have already created. I will just add test case ID. I added its title or description, like I want to fetch all the students, and in some cases I want to fetch just single student with valid ID, and I will also test with invalid ID, and I will create some new student data, and I will try to delete some records of the students, and I will try to update some records of the students. So for that purpose, I just created this file. It is Excel file, and it's really helpful. You can also create this type of test data before testing your APIs. So the main thing you need to add in this file is that you need to add URI, and you need to specify the HTTP request methods, whether it's get, post, put, or delete. And you also need to mention the request payload, like if you want to obviously create some new data, some new fields, so you want to add you need to add the request payload data, and also you need to obviously verify the response payload data, the status codes. So everything you need to you need to add in the Excel data to just follow the standardized pattern. So now let's open the Postman. So here you can see that I have already added all the requests. I just added with the help of my Excel sheet that I have already created and showed to you. So as you can see that this is the get request, get all students. I have added its URI, and you don't need to add anything in its body because it's a get request. So let me send it. So as you can see that the status code is 200 OK. You just need to verify the status code. Status code should be 200 OK, and if obviously it's successful, and if it's not successful, then obviously it will show some error message. And then you need to verify its body, like you can see that here are three records: ID with ID number 1, with ID number 2, and with ID number 4. There are three records, total records. Currently there are three total records in the student API. And now if we want to get single student data, then we need to mention the student ID, valid student ID, which is 2. You can also add 1, and then you need to press send, and then you can see that status. You also again you can verify its status code, that is 200 OK, and you need to verify its body, like see the uh, you want to see the record for the ID1, and here it is ID1 record. And now you want to if you want to create a new student record, you just need to add a request with post method, because post is used to create new data. And you just need to add your URI, the local host URI, because you are testing on in your own created APIs. So you just need to add this URI, and then the main thing you need to add its body. So as you can see that I have already added some data, and basically it's added successfully in the all the list of students. So let me just change it. Like we need to show you that a record is added by the post request. So I just added an ID with another number like 5, and let's see. We just update its data, and then we will verify that whether it's added or not. So again, it's 201 created, like we have successfully created another record, and we can verify its body also. So once again, we need to verify that whether it's record added or not with ID5. So you can see here ID5 record is added successfully. So similarly, you can delete some data. delete any data you want, but you need to verify, you need to add id clearly, mention clearly, like if we want to delete the id number 5 data. Okay, basically it's not currently saved. So if we want to delete id number 1 data, you can see that it's successfully deleted. If we press it again, then it will show that 404, that this record policy, it's deleted and it's not present. So that's why it's showing this error, and this is also right. So the next request method is the put method, and this is basically used to update the data. So if you want to update anything, like you want to update the name, update email or age, anything you want to add, you want to update, you just need to apply all the format in the body, and then you will update the required field. But you need to pass all the body in the data. Like if we want to update its name, like test, but for this purpose we need to mention all the body for the id1. Okay, basically we deleted that id1, so we just need to add with id2, with another id, anything you want to add. Okay, now the id2 is also replaced with this body, and if you want to say it again, then you need to hit that all student record, and then you can see that with the id2 everything is replaced and everything is updated. So this is for today, and we will meet in the next video, inshallah.